Next one, find points at which the tangent to the curve y equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7 is parallel to x-axis. We have to find the point. To find the point means we have to find the x coordinate and the y coordinate. Okay, and it is given that tangent to this curve is parallel to x-axis. What is the specialty of the line parallel to each other? Since we are dealing with the topic tangent and normal, we can say that if two lines are parallel, then the slope of the tangent will be equal. If two lines are parallel, slope of the tangent will be equal. Okay, so same way, what we have to do here is for this curve, find the tangent. How? Take the derivative dy by dx. And the next one given is that curve. The tangent to that curve is, tangent is a line, that line is parallel to x-axis. That means that slope of this tangent and the slope of the x-axis will be the same. And what is the slope of x-axis? Slope of x-axis means, what do you mean by slope? To find the slope of a line, if I am drawing the x coordinate and y coordinate, and if I am drawing a line L, if I need to find the slope of this line, what should I do? I should measure the angle positive direction to the x-axis. This angle is the slope of the tangent, the line which makes angle with the angle which the line makes with the positive direction of x-axis is the slope. Okay, this theta, and what we said as slope of x-axis. What will be the slope of x-axis? X-axis is this line itself. When we calculate the slope, what we do is we will calculate the angle the line make with the x-axis. So here our tangent itself or the line itself is the x-axis. So what is the angle made by x-axis to the x-axis? It is 0. So slope of x-axis is 0. So it must be recorded in your mind. Slope of x-axis is 0. Slope of x-axis is 0. Then can you say what will be the slope of y-axis? This is y-axis, isn't it? So what we have to do is to find the slope of y-axis, we have to measure the angle which the y-axis make with the positive direction of x-axis. What is that? 90. Okay, so slope of x-axis is 0. So what is our question? Slope of this tangent. This tangent is, the tangent to this curve is parallel to x-axis. That means that slope of the tangent will be equal to slope of x-axis. And we came to know that slope of x-axis is 0. That means we have to equate the slope of the tangent to 0 to get the point. Is it clear? So first we will write y. Y is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7. Okay. So dy by dx will be equal to, what's the derivative of x cube? 3x square minus 6x minus 9. So we got the derivative, first derivative. Again, what we have to do? Slope. Slope of the curve is equal to, what is that? Dy by dx, and we got as 3x square minus 6x minus 9. Okay, and what is said in the question is that tangent is parallel to the x-axis. If the lines are parallel, their slopes will be equal. So the next what we are going to write is slope of x-axis. Slope of x-axis is 0. Okay, since the tangent is parallel to x-axis, what we can say? Slope of the tangent will be equal to slope of x-axis. This condition must be noticed. Slope of tangent is equal to slope of x-axis since the tangent is parallel to x-axis, which implies slope of the tangent, what we got? 3x square minus 6x minus 9. Slope of tangent to the curve. So 3x square minus 6x minus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, we require the points. That means from this equation we have to calculate the value of x and we have to find the corresponding value by substituting in the curve. Okay, so to find the value of x, we can take 3 outside. So what is the balance? X square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So we have to find two numbers so that the sum is minus 2 and product is minus 3. Can you say sum is minus 2 and product is minus 3, which will be the numbers minus 3 and 1. So that minus 3 into 1 gives you minus 3 and minus 3 plus 1 gives you minus 2. So if I factorize 3 into x minus 3 into x plus 1 will be equal to 0, which implies 3 cannot be equal to 0. So x minus 3 will be equal to 0, which implies x as 3. And also x plus 1 can be equal to 0, which implies x as minus 1. So we got two values for x. Again we have to find corresponding value of y. When x equal to 3, y will be, take the equation of the curve, given curve. So x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7 is the curve. Okay, here instead of x substitute 3. So 3 cube is 27 minus here x square, 3 square, 9. 9 into 3 again gives you 27 minus, again here it is 3, 9 into 3 gives you 27 plus 7. Isn't it? So 27 minus 27 get cancelled, minus 27 plus 7 gives you minus 20. Okay, again one more point is there. When x is taking the value minus 1, y will be equal to minus 1 the whole cube minus 3 into minus 1 the whole square minus 9 into minus 1 plus 7. Just simplify. Minus 1 the whole cube is minus 1 itself. Minus 1 square is 1. 1 into minus 3 is minus 3. Again, minus 9 into minus 1 is plus 9 plus 7. Okay. Minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4. Minus 4 plus 9 is 5. 5 plus 7 gives you the value 12. And the question is to find the points. Therefore, you have to write as points. Required points are x and y. So, when x equal to 3, we are getting the value of y as minus 20. So, one point is 3 comma minus 20. Okay, and the second point will be minus 1 comma 12.